The Golden Gate Bridge, an emblematic landmark of San Francisco, holds an unparalleled allure for tourists from around the world, captivating visitors with its striking design and historical significance. Stretching majestically over the Golden Gate Strait, this suspension bridge, painted in its iconic, international orange hue, is a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. For tourists, the bridge offers an unforgettable experience, blending natural beauty, architectural brilliance, and cultural richness into one captivating destination. As visitors approach the bridge, they are immediately struck by its sheer scale and grandeur, the two towering pylons rising like sentinels against the backdrop of rolling hills and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Walking or biking across the bridge is a quintessential activity, as it provides breathtaking views of the bay, Alcatraz Island, and the San Francisco skyline. The cool, often windy air carries the salty tang of the sea, and the experience is enhanced by the occasional low-lying fog that weaves through the steel cables, lending an ethereal quality to the scene. Photographers flock to the bridge for its photogenic charm, with every angle offering a unique perspective, from the symmetry of its suspension wires to the dramatic play of light and shadow during sunrise and sunset. For those less inclined to walk the full span, the Golden Gate Bridge Welcome Center serves as a hub of information and history, showcasing exhibits about the bridge's construction and the challenges faced by its designers. Many tourists marvel at the story of how the bridge, once considered an impossible feat, became a reality through innovative techniques and the unwavering determination of its creators. The adjoining gift shop provides an array of memorabilia, allowing visitors to take a piece of this iconic landmark home with them. Surrounding the bridge are several vantage points, such as Vista Point on the northern end and Battery Spencer, which offer panoramic views and are perfect for capturing postcard-worthy shots. On the southern end, Crissy Field and Fort Point National Historic Site present additional opportunities to admire the bridge while immersing oneself in the natural and historical context of the area. Whether seen from land, sea, or air, the Golden Gate Bridge never fails to leave a lasting impression, its bold lines and vibrant color standing out against the ever-changing moods of the San Francisco Bay. Tourists often combine their visit to the bridge with other nearby attractions, such as the Presidio, a historic military post now transformed into a cultural and recreational destination, and Sausalito, a charming waterfront town just across the bridge. The journey to and from the bridge itself is part of the adventure, whether by car, tour bus, or ferry, each mode of transportation offering its own unique perspective of the landmark. For those who delve deeper into its history, the bridge symbolizes more than just a connection between two landmasses. It represents a bridge between past and present, a monument to the resilience and vision of those who dared to dream big. Visitors leave not only with photographs but also with memories of an experience that captures the essence of San Francisco, a city where innovation meets natural beauty, and where the Golden Gate Bridge stands as a timeless beacon of hope and inspiration. Subscribe this channel, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.